my channel. My name is Pritika and in today's video we will be unboxing the April GlamEgo Box. So I have my GlamEgo Box with me. It's one of the best subscription box in the market right now. It is so affordable. It is just for $3.99 per month, and if you go for longer subscription, obviously you will get a good discount. And I totally love the packaging this time. They have this ice cream made on the top of the box, which totally goes with the summer season, and GlamEgo is written over here. And with this it has a magnetic closure. Let's see what are products we have for this month. So as I open this box, I see the info card which says summer skincare. So the first product which I have my hands on is from the brand Island Kiss, and it is in the variant Cherry Blossom. The price of this one is $3.99. Let me just take out a bit and see. Here, okay, so it is in pink color, a very light baby pink color.
It is really nice. It has that cherry or that bubblegum sort of smell. The smell is really nice.
Move on to the second product, and the second product is a makeup product. I love receiving makeup products. This is from the brand Nell, and it's a compact which has SPF 18 in it. And the shade I have ordered is 01, and the price of this one is $3.50. Compact, we have a mirror inside as well as the applicator to apply the compact. Now the next product which I have is from the brand Tajori. It's a wild turmeric anti-tan treatment. So it's a face pack basically, and the price of this one is $5.25. Yeah, here is the product, and as I open this, it is in the powder format. You can use it like with water, with rose water, or with a little bit of milk. I really love that they added this product, because in this summer we really need to take proper care of our skin, and for that face packs are the best. So yeah, I'm looking forward to use this one regularly. And now let's move forward to the fourth product, which is from the brand Vedic line. It's a gold facial kit, and the price of this one is $3.50. We have few pouches I guess inside. Yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so no, 6. We have 6 pouches over here, and all the directions and everything is mentioned in the box.
One is like moisturized serum, other one is cleanser, then we have the pack, then we have scrub, massage gel and the cream. So we have 6 different pouches, and all the directions and everything is mentioned. We can use it up like 2 times at least, because there's a lot of product inside. You can't really use the whole pouch in one go.
There's one more product which is a complimentary product which GlamEgo has given. It's from the brand Natural Bath and Body. It's a grapefruit and vitamin C lighter, whiter, brighter fix. It's basically a cream. I have received this particular product earlier as well, and I loved using it. So yeah, it's really nice to receive another one this time. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you guys want to follow me on social platform, then link my ID below, so you can go and follow me there. See you on my next video. Bye bye.